Today we are going to be playing Roblox Campaign 2. The video is supposed to come out later. It was supposed to come out a while ago, but I wasn't able to make it. The animation is a little black. But I can't see the results. So, this is my friend right here. And I don't know why he's there. Okay. Well, we're gonna go on this boat. Start a new game. Now I'm getting on this boat. I'm gonna get off that boat and go to this one. I just need 3 more people, 2 more people, 3 more people, one more person. Okay, yeah. I feel like something's wrong because I can't see it. He's trying to promote my channel. Here's my plate. Welcome to Taylor Pike. I'm the Pike guide. I'm the Pike Ranger, Daniel. Be honest in the comments. The first time you played Camping 2, did you think Daniel was the killer? I did not. I trusted him. Other people didn't, and then they shot him. And then I saw the other ending, and I was right. Well, bandages. Oh my god, for a second I thought I didn't get it. This message is okay. What is happening? I got bandages. 7 bandages. I think their name is the sniper dude. I'm gonna check if there's any items. Usually there's 2 items. Make sure to sub to gaming with me on YouTube. There's nothing over there. There's nothing behind the cabin. What the heck are you saying? Not Daniel. Butterfly, butter. A butterfly said something. Yeah, his name was Butterfly Butter 267. Oh yeah, it's the murder scene. Okay, that was loud. It's not even scary, it was just loud. Electrical problems can't do it. Wait, could electrical problems do it? No, they couldn't. I'm thinking of making a breaking video after this. Maybe 2 videos. Actually, I might do 2 videos, just a breaking video. Where the everyone knows like there's a Pinewood trial over here. That's not there. Yes, I am dressed up as Dennis, my favorite YouTuber next to Sketch. Sketch and Dennis, the best YouTubers, and Flamingo. It's getting late. Let's split into our 2 sleeping groups. I will be staying with the group at the cabin. And I still got the bandages. I'm not happy that I can do with my mouse now. Like I can make videos with my mouse instead of with separated. Yeah, my friend Zach Nolan, he's gonna come out the woods and start killing us. Yeah, he's trying to throw. So I fell asleep. I said, "What?" Not saying anything. This girl clearly has not played this game before. She's gonna be the one who's getting shot with a gun and being stabbed. Oh, there he is. Why did we just look at him and then we just say, "Quick, run to the cabin!" Ah, why is he stabbing me? Why did he only stab me? He only stabbed me. There was like 50 people there. Let me in, out the way. Get in the cabin! Get in the cabin! Trying to look out the window. I got you in there. I want you in mask. I want that Zach Nolan mask. I think he's on. Who was that guy? Who was that? Okay. We don't know. It attacked us at the tent. Why did it say it? It's a person. I'm going to. Yeah, there's a glitch. He says going to the bathroom. He will be back soon. There's a glitch. Like if you go up to the door, and it's not a glitch. It's like a weird thing. You say good for you. I'm going to good for you. Then I'll show you what you mean. There's a thing where Daniel comes to the door, you can slip out. Oh my god, I missed it. He ran straight into me, so I couldn't do it. Daniel ran straight into it. I'm glad we told scary stories. No, we were attacked at the tents and ran here. There's someone out there. Don't be silly. I know you're just trying to scare me. We're the only ones here, Daniel. You're gonna get us all killed. The game glitched, and while Daniel was talking, it just cut him off. Daniel seems to be taking this all very lightly. I don't know why I'm talking about it. Let's go find them. I'm just gonna read everything in my normal voice now. I don't know why I was talking like that before. Daniel. Well, today, guys, who's excited to go hiking today? I am, because I can actually do it, unlike these people. Actually, I don't know if my friend can do it. I'm not gonna underestimate these people because I'm probably gonna need to sacrifice some lives. Because at the maze point, I don't know how to do it. The maze, I don't know how to do it. I thought I knew, but I actually did not. Okay, jump, 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 jump! I hate this. I actually die on this multiple times. I'm gonna use this one of these. But one time I won't use it. If Daniel dies and the cabin breaks, I'm gonna use it. Well, the cabin's obviously gonna break, but I mean, like, when it breaks, I'm gonna use it. I don't know how much health I have. That's what I hate. Because you can't see how much health you have, or this thing is blocking it. I don't know. It's one of those. I'm just gonna guess. I said somewhere around yellow. Yes, full health. Didn't die once. I died. I wish. Actually, if I lose this round, you said something spamming and be like, but if I'm stuck, I already know what's gonna happen, so I'm just gonna hide behind here and hope no one will see me. Oh god, I forgot he banged. That was too close. What is this guy talking about? I will throw him out into the rain. Lollipops. Just stop talking. Okay. Daniel. I think Zach, the gun and the tech that comes later, I think that came from when, I feel like probably came from Zach Nolan, like when he dropped us. You could, oh, I forgot the name something. This guy is saying curse words. I'm gonna let someone to go here, and I'm gonna make them like get into a trap. Like I'm gonna collect wood, bro. I don't want to collect wood, but I am. Oh no, that's not doing it. Hit it. No, you're so close. Come on. Yes, he hit it. They're hitting it. They're hitting it. It's like, this is evil. Oh my god, I did not know you were there. Oh, $30. He knows what they do now. I think he knows I'm trying to kill him too. I'm gonna just stay back. I know what's gonna happen. Daniel said he had to go grab something. I forgot to do it. He said he had to go grab something from the cabin, and I just saw him, and he just disappeared. He was right there, like he was right there, and then his model just disappeared. No, he's found me. He's found me. He's gonna be so confused when the mind state going off. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, forgot. You hear that? Why are they not smart? They're not smart. It's explosive! Run for your lives! He's running off. Yeah, I'm gonna be a good person and give him a bandage. He thinks he's gonna die. I healed myself. I don't think I can drop them, can I? I don't know if I can drop them. These ones are video for a long time. Someone was after there remotely. Like, why does everything tie into Daniel? I'm gonna get don't shoot ready in the chat. So, I already have don't shoot ready. So when the gunplay comes in, I'm this thing already needed. You guys okay? But not okay. Someone placed explosives all over the can. can't talk anymore. Explosive, you gotta be kidding me. How about we go to sleep and go this more? It doesn't feel like no one would say that. I am jumping up and down in the muddy puddles. There's a gun in here! Okay, good shot, and I have someone getting shot. Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? Wait, it's me? Is it me? It's me! Let me just get the thumbnail shot. I'm gonna get this thumbnail shot. I need to do a thumbnail shot really quick. I'm gonna make that the thumbnail shot. I'm gonna say don't shoot in the chat, even though I know. I shot him. I didn't shoot him. I didn't shoot him. I accidentally. I can't believe you almost got killed me last night. Wait, did we just all go to sleep? And like, we'll talk about this tomorrow. And then, do you think I was the murderer? No, I did not, Daniel. I basically kind of have infinite health because I have 6 bandages. So, oh yeah. Anyways, my radio said that there's gonna be a storm, so we're gonna take shelter in the hole. And if there's a hole, wouldn't the water just go down the hole? Like, there's not like a roof or something, so. Here we just have to like wait. Like, all we can do is walk around. Like, there's nothing for us to do. All the items have been found, so. That was actually really lucky because there's 5 people in this server, including me. So it's pretty lucky that I was, and on recording, that I was the one who got to do it. I just hope I don't die in the maze part. Like, I hope I don't die. I wish it was the ending where you could get the rope and you would like be safe, but then when you climb the rope, it's actually on the top of the hole. Hop in. I'm down here. Are they gonna come in? They're not coming in. It's gonna start raining and you're gonna die. Wait, for a second I thought they already died. Okay, there. Finally. That's already, that's only 4 people. Where's the last guy left? Oh my god, I hate this. We need to find a new way out. We forgot to leave the road. We need to find a new way out. Oh my god, I hate that. I hate my life. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? He went that way, the real exit's this way. Never mind, it's fine. I hate the maze. Like, I actually hate it. This whole thing. Oh god. It's this way. It has to. Oh my god, I did it. We did it? Yes, oh my god. I'm getting really lucky. I'm gonna use the bandage and just run straight through. Big snakes! Just going for it. I don't care. I don't know if it took anything. It's gonna be a little obstacle course. I'm gonna just run through. I'm just gonna basically. It's him! The ladder! I'm gonna get 2 thumbnail shots. It's him! The murderer! Second thumbnail shot. Why are you doing this to us? Alright, got the thumbnail shot. I'm gonna probably use one of those if it can work. Do you know who I am? Wait a minute, you're Zach Nolan. People said you're the reason Specky Lewis was left haunted. That's right, I'm the man who killed a family of 5 and Specky Woods. Now I've come to kill you. Not the whole family. Oh my gosh, the sun. No, the sun. I like how both have the ending. No, the sun. I like how we just like see actually, I'm free. Listen, Camping 3 spoilers. If you didn't play that one, you should click off now. So basically, in Camping 3, doesn't Zach Nolan die? So how is he still alive? If he died in Camping 2, how is he still? I guess like the true endings like him not dying. I guess the true ending is him not dying. That's just the good ending. Okay, guys. I will see you in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'll see you in the next one. And let me guys end the video. Dang, this is 21 minutes long.